Magandang hapon po ng July 31, 2025 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 31, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, July 31, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. the result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 31, 2025 Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, July 31, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for July 31, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.